Jason, will you have this woman to thy wedded wife to live together after God ordinance in the holy state of matrimony? Will thou love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and health, and forsaking all others? Keep thee only unto her so long as you both all live. They sing. Will thou have this man to thy wedded husband to live together after God ordinance wedding?
I will.
You may not kiss the bride.
Ring. Ring.
Now you may kiss the bride.